Let's make the Red Rum Ginny. To make this drink, we are going to start with the rum. 1 3/4 ounces of rum is 52.5 milliliters. Three-quarter ounces of gin. No, 1/4 ounce of gin. 7.5 milliliters. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Add your ice. And top it off with your ginger ale. Add a straw. You can give it a little stir if you want. I'm not going to. And garnish. There's no garnish listed in the book. However, they do mention that an optional ingredient, if you cannot get cranberry juice, is maraschino liqueur. I'm not putting maraschino liqueur in here because I have access to cranberry juice, but I am going to garnish it with some maraschino cherries. And I don't know if you know the rule, it's 1 olive or 3 olives in a martini, never 2. I don't know why, but because Thomas Ligotti is a horror writer, I'm going to do two cherries. And that's it. The Red Rum Ginny. Drink with good spirits.